You attended the exposition, it is ongoing exposition. How was your experience this time?
My God, I think so. This is what I see with my eyes is unbelievable. The faith of the people, what I see. Usually, I thought only Goan people will be there, or only people who are very limited from Goa, whether it is Hindu, Muslim, any other religion also. But I thought only from Goa. But when I noticed this is unbelievable. The crowd is from all over the world. You can see from full of India, we people speaking different languages. So you come to know that they are come from all over India. You see the foreigners, like you see every other countries also, like other parts of the world also. So it's unbelievable. This is the second time I'm come to visit the relics right now. But I feel so good looking at this people's faith in Saint Francis Xavier. It makes me so happy.
Ma'am, as you attended in the veneration line under the Cathedral Church, you've seen the sacred relics of Saint Francis here.
Yes.
After seeing how you felt and how was the environment inside the church?
First of all, the environment I can say is like it gives me goosebumps, to be very frank. It all depends. This shows the faith in how people have this faith in Saint Francis Xavier. You must have heard the miracles what Saint Francis Xavier have done. But when you enter the church inside, you literally get the goosebumps looking at the body of Saint Francis Xavier. You see a saint in front of you. You see as if he's live in front of you. And there are many people who have even witnessed him. Like I just saw one video a few days back. One nun had witnessed him inside the well. There's a well there next to the church, and that nun witnessed Saint Francis Xavier inside the well, and there were a lot of other people also who had witnessed it. So I think so it's the faith what comes into the people, and I think so this is what brings us to Saint Francis Xavier and closer to Saint Francis Xavier.
Ma'am, every 10 years once exposition happens. How many expositions you attended, ma'am?
To be very frank, this is my second time I have attended the exposition, but in this exposition I have attended 2 times. So maybe I'll come another time also, because it really makes me feel good. Sometimes I feel, last time I had come here to pray for my son because my son had a back problem. To be very frank, for 2 years my son was suffering from a back problem. And when I came here, I prayed here with full faith when I came for the first time here. And that same day when I went home, I got a good result of it. And that's why I came today to thank Saint Francis Xavier that he has touched my son. So I'm really thankful and grateful, and I hope he gets better and better, and he is fully all right with the faith of what we have in Saint Francis Xavier.
Ma'am, how you see this year's arrangement specially?
It is amazing. I can say hats off. I know whoever has done it, who is responsible, whether the church authorities, whether our central government or the state government, whatever, but it has done very nicely, systematically. Maybe only the line which is coming from there is little longer, especially for the elderly people, even though they have done the arrangement of the buggies. But still, there are a lot of seniors, citizens, even the young people. Like for example, I'm young, but I have a foot problem. So there are a lot of people who have a foot problem. So the line is little long, it's little congested. Maybe there they have gone little bit, little wrong maybe. But otherwise, everything is done very nicely.
Ma'am, outside the say Cathedral Church, one electrical carriage is in electrical carriage. Many people are clicking photos along with this.
The carriage that brought the body from the basilica to the cathedral.
Yes.
So the people are going over there. They are
clicking photos. Yeah, actually they should have made some arrangement for people to click photos in a systematic way. It should not have been like just kept over there and then people are just coming and clicking. There should have been some railing over there where people could have just stood outside and clicked the photo. That was the only maybe thing which they must have not thought of or missed out on it. But I think so. Otherwise, overall, everything is done very nicely. Arrangement is done very well.
Ma'am, any of your memories associated with old Goa place as you coming from the childhood?
Actually, from childhood, we have been attending Saint Francis Xavier's novenas. We used to come here, and I got married in this church actually. And my husband is he's got a lot of faith in Saint Francis Xavier, so he wanted me to get married in this church only, and we got married in the Saint Francis Cathedral
Basilica.
In the Basilica, and today is my wedding anniversary, and that's why I came today specially to visit this place.
So happy wedding anniversary to you both.
Thank you, thank you,
Thank you.
thank you very much.